All right, ladies and gentlemen, coming back for a second video. It's on New Year's Day, 1/1/2025. I hope you all had a good New Year's. A lot of things to look forward to in the crypto space this year with regulation, new incoming regime, and pro crypto at that. So, just a couple of things I wanted to show you real fast that we posted over the last couple of days. What you see now is one from Cointelegraph with Trump, just indicating instead of attacking industries of the future, we will embrace them, including making America the world capital for crypto and Bitcoin. So let's take a look here and see what he has to say.
This onslaught at lower prices, I'm pledging today that in my second term, we will eliminate a minimum of 10 old regulations for every one new regulation. We'll be able to do that quite easily, actually. And instead of attacking industries of the future, we will embrace them, including making America the world capital for crypto and Bitcoin. This onslaught at lower prices.
All right, there it was. So when they're laying out the plan before you, you just got to do your research, folks. This is just the beginning. And then another one I just thought was interesting. I don't know if it's down here. Yeah, this is another one from Cointelegraph with BitGo CEO just saying that Bitcoin is the perfect hedge against uh, inflation and the increase in the monetary supply. So let's see what they say there.
And welcome back to Overtime. Bitcoin is falling today, but it's still a major winner this year, more than doubling in 2024.
This was 3 days ago.
And crypto investors, they're very enthusiastic about 2025, expecting friendly policy from President-elect Trump. Joining us now is BitGo CEO Mike Belshi. BitGo is a cryptocurrency trading and storage platform. Hey, good to see you, Mike.
Hey, Frank. Good to see you also.
All right. So, Mike, we were just talking about it just now. Bitcoin, huge run up year to date, even bigger run up after the election. What's going to push this higher? What isn't already priced in?
Actually, I think the regulatory is somewhat priced in, but in general, we've seen that these news events don't always price in until they're actually here. So, look, we have a new administration coming in. Things look very promising. People are very excited. They're very bullish, but it's not here yet. So, actually, I think we're going to continue to see the effects of that all through 2025. Remember that for the last 2.5 years, we've had not just a regulatory environment that didn't want to help you. We had a regulatory environment that was actively trying to kill you. So all of a sudden, with that changing in the opposite direction, we're going to continue to see good gains next year.
All right. What about David Sacks? He's going to be the, quote unquote, crypto czar. Do you think that's not priced into some of these upside moves we've seen in crypto?
I think it's indicative of what this administration is about. They want to see innovation happen. They want to see it happen here in America. They want to see America's strength. So, David Sacks helping both on the AI side as well as on the crypto side is phenomenal. He happens to be a big investor in BitGo. I've known David for 10 years, I think, at this point. So, look, he's a phenomenal mind. He's been seen all over the All In podcast for the last couple of years, and people
Follow the partnerships.
will see exactly how capable this man is. So I think he's going to be a great help to the administration, and he's going to help make sure that the policies that they're looking for come through.
Do you expect to see in 2025 more companies adding Bitcoin to their balance sheet? That obviously was a big theme of 2024. And I'm curious if you think that continues and whether there's any kind of reputational risk that goes along with that size of purchase of Bitcoin.
It's absolutely going to happen. We're talking with multiple clients right now about doing that. It's been a conversation for the last couple of years, but frankly, the regulatory changes make it a lot easier. Having ETFs available make it a lot easier. People don't remember exactly how much balance sheet cash some of the largest, top 7 companies have. I mean, it's hundreds of billions of dollars. So having some access to Bitcoin into that portfolio, into that treasury management, just makes sense. And remember, it's a hedge against whether the U.S. can curtail inflation. And while we're optimistic about what's going to happen with the new administration over the next few years, America has not had a track record at all of being able to curtail spending. So if we're going to continue to see monetary supply go up, Bitcoin is the perfect hedge against that.
There you go. So very interesting there. Again, BitGo CEO Mike Belshi on CNBC. Let's go up here. We already saw Trump's video. There's one more from here. It is from Kraken. This is from Kraken that we shared, and they just announced that they're pleased to announce 19 new USDC, and markets are now live for trading. And of course, you can see some of those ISO tokens like Algo, see XRP. I'm not sure ADA may be on that list as well, but some of the ones that we've been talking about: Avalanche, Solana, Shiba Inu's on there, Chainlink's on there, Litecoin and Doge are on there. So this kind of leads me to think, going back a few days ago, I'm not sure what day, but and feel free to correct me if I'm wrong, but Europe was considering restricting access or eliminating access to USDT or Tether, which I believe opens the door significantly to other stable coins like USDC with their partnerships, maybe even Ripple's RLUSD. So it should be very interesting to see how that stablecoin market plays out. But again, just wanted to show you those couple things. So pretty short video here. I don't think there's any other chart I'd necessarily want to look at right now. Let me just make sure. Let's look at XRP real fast. Oh, wow. Okay, so XRP had a nice, decent day. It's gone from about 209 up to roughly 234. Wow. Yeah, significant run there, over 12%, 13%. So not a bad move. For all transparency, we have a sizable position in XRP, and it's one project we believe heavily in. Again, you can see trend and momentum are actually below the trend line, still positive, but below the trend line in a normalized range after the big spike in retracement. We're still in that exhaustion zone though, so we still feel like this thing could come on down lower. Of course, none of this is financial advice, just information and entertainment. We just like to share information. But yeah, clearly a nice day here for XRP. We've got our mean reversion channel here, so currently significantly higher than the mean after its big 5x there. But yeah, certainly a big candlestick today, so very positive. We're still in that negative red trend. It hasn't quite flipped it yet, so we'll see if the next day or two can flip it. If it does, it may be one we need to redeploy capital to. But again, we took some off the table, up here around this 250 mark, somewhere in that range. So we'll see. With that, Happy New Year, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.